What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I am Brandon and welcome back. This is another updated noobs guide on how to mine Ethereum. Obviously, I've done this in the past, but it's a new year. I hope everybody's having a good time. And if you want to mine some Ethereum, in one of the easiest and, in my opinion, the up and coming best ways to do it without having to do anything on the back end, it just does it all yourself. You're going to want to click on the link down below in the description. That will bring you to Cudo Miner. This is their website. It's cudominer.com. You can look up a bunch of stuff. They actually give you an extra incentive to use my referral link. They give you a double bonus. So if you don't want to use the referral link, you can go straight to cudominer.com and get half as much. But whatever. Anyway, so after you download it, you can download it for Windows, Linux. I believe they even have Mac now. Once you get that downloaded, then you're going to want to go over to, bam, bring it up here. Bam, here is my actual Cudo Miner display. So this is what it looks like. When you first open it, it's going to want to benchmark everything. The number one thing I tell people to do is go ahead and, right now mine is enabled, but it'll be looking like this. Click disable, go to the settings, and make sure you have a couple things turned on. So you're going to want to, in third party and miners right here, turn that on, and enable overclocking, turn that on. Then you're going to have all these algorithms right here where you can go into and mess with the overclocks. But we don't have to worry about that right yet. Just make sure third-party miners is on and enable overclocking is on. Then go back to the miner, and you'll notice it'll be like GPU selection. Don't worry about that. Payout coin, that's what you want to worry about. So you'll click on the edit payout coin option, because obviously if you want Ethereum, you need to get paid out in Ethereum. What this software does is it mines a bunch of different other coins and algorithms and stuff, and then whatever you pick to get paid out in, it pays you out in that. So if Ethereum's not the most profitable thing to mine for right now, Ravencoin actually is. It'll mine Ravencoin and then pay you out in Ethereum. So now you'll need to enable that and let it run through the benchmarks. It'll run through all those algorithms before it gives you an accurate daily earning potential on what you have. So just don't fret that. Give it 10-15 minutes. Obviously, it's not a good idea to use your computer while it's benchmarking so it can get some accurate benchmarks. But with this software, I absolutely do use my computer a lot. I just go ahead and turn off the CPU enabled, and then I have RTX 2070, and I'm able to watch TV, hang out with my friends, and still use it. Now, when the CPU is on and mining on the CPU, it slows the system down significantly. So now you're mining, your payout coin is Ethereum. Let's go into that and make sure you guys understand on how to do that. So when you go to edit payout coin, or you can even click on, another way to get to it is click on devices. That'll bring up another screen here. Let me, I already had it pulled up. That one? Was it? It'll bring you up to your dashboard. Now mine's already logged in because I've already made an account and all that kind of stuff. When you sign up with Cudo, it'll just want your name. And then when you go onto the dashboard, which is, you go to cudo.com and click on dashboard, or you can get to the dashboard from clicking on devices, transactions, or clicking on edit payout coin. It'll bring you to something like this. This shows your mining performance over time. Don't worry about any of that. What you're going to want to click on is settings. Once you go to settings, then go all the way down here, click payment coin. Right now I'm on Ravencoin. That means anything that I mine will be automatically switched and paid out into Ravencoin. You're going to want to click on Ethereum, and then you're going to want to click save, and bam, then you just go back, you let that thing mine, and you're mining Ethereum. And you're like, oh, well, I want to see how much Ethereum do I have. The way to see that is to go to your dashboard again, click on accounts, and then you can see right here, oh, I got Bitcoin, I got Ethereum. So right now I have 0.18 Ethereum, I got 0.008 Bitcoin, 0.23 Grin, not much Grin, 900 Ravencoin, 0.06 Verge, a little bit of Verge and a little bit of Vertcoin. Don't know why I was mining those, but yeah, so that's an easy, quick rundown. Look at that, you're already mining, and it's only, what, a couple minutes in? So you're mining Ethereum, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. So now you want to withdraw your Ethereum, correct? To withdraw your Ethereum, you go down here to transactions. You go to withdraw funds, then you click the account you want to withdraw from. Ethereum's the one I want to withdraw. Bam, the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.01 Ethereum. So let's actually go to ETH to USD. Let's find out how much that is. So 0.01, or wait, sorry, 0.1 Ethereum is $13. So you will have to mine your first $13 up before you can get a payout. They do that to help with network fees and also to make sure people are committed to actually mining with their service, so they don't sign up with like 50 accounts and get a bunch of bonuses for free and then never actually use the service to generate coins. The network fee is not something they control. That's just the network fee is super low. And then the withdrawal fee is 1.5% on Ethereum. So you're paying them 1.5% at the very end of when you're actually ready to pay out. It doesn't skim it off the top. What you're mining is actually what you're mining at that time. Some other services skim it while you're mining, and then you don't pay any fees on the payout part. This one is fees at the end, and you genuinely make what you make when you're mining. So that's what it is. 1.5% plus the network fee. Got to mine that 0.1 first. Their payout thresholds are subject to change depending on price. Obviously, if Ethereum goes to $1,000 tomorrow, 0.1 Ethereum is $100. That'd be hard to hit. So they will fluctuate that to stay with current market, because they want people to be around that $10 mark and you know, kind of get them in and get them used to mining. All you got to do at that point, once you're happy with the amount you want to withdraw, the fee, the network fee, and then it shows you the amount after the fees that you're actually getting paid. You just put your address in, hit withdraw funds, and wham bam, thank you ma'am, it's off to the races. You got your Ethereum and you're good to go. So if you guys have any questions, please just comment down below. Let me know. If you want any other little quick how-to noobs mining guides, it's getting so much easier nowadays. Just comment down below and I can get y'all going on it for sure. It's just like that. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank y'all for checking in. Make sure to join into the live show 10 p.m. Monday through Friday on YouTube, Eastern Standard Time, where you got to be there or be square, one or the other. Bam. Later. Peace.